Hello, everyone. In this video, we will demonstrate how to download and install Tomcat 10. Tomcat 10 is a web server for developing Java web applications. So when you develop Java using servlets, server pages, and Java server faces, and you can use Tomcat as a web server. To download Tomcat, you can just Google download Tomcat 10. So here comes Apache Tomcat 10 software downloads. Click on this, and now scroll down to use this link. It's the Windows Service Installer. So I'm going to click on this. All right, so now I'm going to open this file now. And yes, allow the changes to your device and use all the default setup. I'm going to accept the license and use all these default directories. And now I'm going to have the username. So you need to set up username for the Tomcat administration. All right, so just remember your username and password because you need to use it later. All right, so now I'm going to go to the next. Here, and we need to use a Java 11 or later. So this is Java 1.8. So we're going to choose a high version here. And the version I have, the highest is 1402. So I'm going to choose this 1402 and say, OK. All right, so now next. And use the default destination folder for Tomcat and click install. All right, so now it has been installed and finished. So run Apache Tomcat. So if you don't want to run, so let's just uncheck it and show runtime readme. Oh, okay, that's fine. All right, and finish. So now we have installed Tomcat 10 on the machine. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.